Welcome to the top best. The best needlepoint kits is probably one of the most relaxing and rewarding crafts you can pick up. In this video, we're diving into the wonderful world of needlepoint, specifically focusing on kits perfect for beginners. We'll explore what makes a great kit, the essential supplies you'll need, and some fantastic options to get you started on your needlepoint journey. Number 5. Wilton Dimensions Needlecrafts Needlepoint, Zinnias. Today, we're showcasing a beautiful needlepoint kit. It features vibrant zinnias in full bloom. This kit is perfect for anyone who loves flowers and wants to create something special. Inside, you'll find everything you need to get started. This includes cotton thread, a full-color printed canvas, a needle, and easy-to-follow instructions. It's designed to make the process simple and enjoyable. The finished piece will measure 5 inches by 5 inches. It's a lovely size for display or gifting. Imagine the satisfaction of completing this beautiful project. The design showcases zinnia plants against a deep blue background. The colors are vibrant and eye-catching. The finished product will be a stunning piece of art. This kit is a great choice for beginners. The instructions are easy to understand, making it a perfect introduction to needlepoint. It's a fun and rewarding craft to learn. Consider gifting this needlepoint kit to a flower or nature lover. It's a thoughtful present that encourages creativity. They will surely appreciate the beautiful outcome. What we like? This kit features a beautiful zinnia design, perfect for adding a touch of nature to your home. It comes with everything you need and is easy to follow. If you are looking for a relaxing project with a lovely outcome, this is a great choice. What people say? The directions and included chart clear enough. Unlike a stitch-by-stitch graph is a shaded, numbered replica of the actual design. The chart is exactly the same size as the 5x5 pattern. The biggest one was that the threads are already separated, and attached to a thread guide that includes their product numbers, which is also cross-referenced in a table in the directions, and also keyed in the design chart, which clearly shows which color goes where. The instruction sheet also includes directions for how to do the 2 most common needlepoint stitches, continental and basket weave, and where to use each, as well as a note about how to do backstitching for the spots where that is indicated. It also includes instructions for finishing your piece, and a few excellent tips for working the piece. Number 4. Wilton Shell Collage Needlepoint Kit. Today, we're showcasing the Wilton Shell Collage Needlepoint Kit. This kit is perfect for anyone looking for a relaxing and creative project. Inside, you'll find everything you need to get started: cotton thread, a needle, and a full-color design printed on size 14 canvas. It also includes easy-to-follow instructions. The design depicts a beautiful ocean floor scene, complete with shells and starfish. It's a charming piece that will add a touch of the sea to any space. The finished piece measures 5 inches wide by 5 inches high. It's a great size for a framed picture or a decorative pillow. Please note that pillow finishing materials are not included. You can choose to finish it as a framed picture or create a unique pillow. With this kit, you can create a beautiful piece of art. It's a fun and rewarding project that you'll be proud to display. What we like? This kit showcases an ocean floor scene, perfect for those who love marine life. It includes all the necessary materials and allows you to finish your project as a framed picture or pillow. If you like the ocean and want a creative project, this kit is ideal. What people say? The directions and included chart clear enough. Unlike a stitch-by-stitch graph is a shaded, numbered replica of the actual design. The biggest one was that the threads are already separated, and attached to a thread guide that includes their product numbers, which is also cross-referenced in a table in the directions, and also keyed in the design chart, which clearly shows which color goes where. The instruction sheet also includes directions for how to do the 2 most common needlepoint stitches, continental and basket weave, and where to use each, as well as a note about how to do backstitching for the spots where that is indicated. Number 3. CRAFTILOO Dogs Cross-Stitch Kits for Beginners. Looking for a fun and easy craft? These kits are perfect for beginners and kids alike. They feature pre-printed patterns that everyone will love. This cross-stitch kit is designed with simplicity in mind. The pre-printed patterns allow your child to complete the project quickly. It's a great way to start sewing. Each kit includes everything needed to get started. It comes with hoops, pre-printed Ida cloth, needles, thread, felt stickers, and instructions. The materials are safe for kids. This embroidery kit makes a wonderful gift. It's perfect for birthdays, Christmas, or any special occasion. Give the gift of creativity with this kit. We offer high-quality cross-stitch kits for kids. If you have any issues, please contact us. We want to make sure your experience is perfect. What we like. This set offers 5 different dog-themed patterns, making it fun for kids and beginners. The materials are safe and the instructions are easy to follow. If you're looking for a gift to spark creativity in a child, this is a fantastic option. What people say. Everything she needs is in this kit, including printed patterns, beautiful colors of thread, needle, and a hoop for each project. Every pattern is small and able to be accomplished easily. The kit has cute and easily manageable designs and is decent quality for a beginner set. It includes cotton floss, needles, needle threaders, nice hoops, keychains, and fabric that is stamped with the various designs. Number 2. Alex Craft Needlepoint Flower Kit for Kids. This is a fantastic craft kit for young beginners. It's designed to introduce them to the art of needlepoint. It's a skill they can enjoy for years to come. The kit is super easy to use. Everything they need to start stitching right away is included. It's a great way to learn a new skill. With the pre-printed canvas and included materials, they can begin their project without delay. This kit makes it simple and fun to get started. Needlepoint is a wonderful craft that can be enjoyed for many years. This kit provides the perfect introduction to this timeless art form. They'll love creating their own beautiful designs. The kit comes with a pre-printed plastic canvas, a plastic frame, 8 colors of yarn, a plastic needle, and easy-to-follow instructions. It's recommended for children aged 5 and up. What we like. This kit is designed specifically for beginners, making it easy to start stitching right away. It includes pre-printed canvas and all the necessary tools. If you are looking for a simple and engaging craft for a child, this kit is perfect. What people say. The instructions are easy to follow. The yarn comes in pre-cut lengths. It's a large enough project to last a few days, but small enough that he won't lose interest before finishing. The needlepoint kit came with sufficient yarn, an OK needle, a sturdy pre-printed canvas, a nice frame for the end product, and clear instructions. The plastic grid was sturdy and the paint did not flake at all. There was plenty of yarn for each color. The design was simple and pleasing. Once complete, the design clicked nicely into place inside the frame. Number 1. CRAFTILOO Beginner Embroidery Kit, Heart. This kit is perfect for beginners. It includes pre-printed patterns and a guide to help you learn 30 basic embroidery stitches quickly. Discover the joy of sewing with this kit. It's a great way to spend time creatively and learn a new skill by stitching a beautiful pattern. The included booklet makes learning easy. It's designed with detailed illustrations to help you understand how to sew each stitch. This kit has everything you need to get started. It includes pre-printed fabrics, a hoop, floss, needles, and more. Enjoy this hand embroidery kit. It's a wonderful gift for craft lovers, and a great way for someone to learn embroidery skills and create a handmade decoration. What we like. This kit provides a complete set with pre-printed patterns and a detailed guide to learn basic embroidery stitches. It's a great way to discover the joy of sewing. If you are looking for a comprehensive kit with everything you need to start, this is the one. What people say. It comes with everything you need. The videos are easy to follow and the booklet also has pretty good instructions. Nice kit with good instructions and QR codes if you want to see video of the stitches being done. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.